Good day, welcome back. Our topic for today is all about lightings. We need to troubleshoot or resolve these flickered LED lightings. This is located at engine room. Our situation right now is flickered LED. Maker Daeyang, Electric Company Ltd, Korea, LEB225WS. This is the model. As you can see, the LED is flickered. Also, this emergency lightings also flickered. In this lighting fixture, there is a two ballast, or they called LED driver. All we need to do is have a soldering paste, then soldering LED. This is our LED driver DYP30L WC WS3 24 volts 0.25 amps. This is the LED driver. This is what we need to solder and replace the defective parts. The only defective parts for this one is the resistor. I have here a resistor value about 47 microfarad at 50 volts. This is for emergency only. And then this is what we local purchase at the port, 47 microfarad but 63 volts. It's okay. This is the original 47 microfarad and 50 volts. $47 microfarad. This is only a remedy while we are waiting for the spare, but this works well. This is cheap component, unlike you ordered a whole almost $60. That is the value of that one, but we need to order a new one. For the meantime, we need to replace this one because the parts came from Korea and it's hard to transport. But this part is the capacitor. The item capacitor is you can local purchase easily, and you can rectify this one. After you replace this resistor and tested, it's okay. This one, no need tester to test this one, only visual. As you can see in the visual, the capacitor is burst. This is common defective part. This is the common burn parts of this LED driver. Only visual check where is the burn part, but normally if flickered, the resistor is burned. This value 47 microfarad at 50 volts. Just replace it and ready to use. In the first part, I removed these three LED ballast that is flickered. Same defective parts. As you can see, the capacitor is burned out. we need to remove this one and replace. I need to desolder and slightly pull the capacitor. Okay, and then replace with a new one. No need to remove the excess soldering lead, just point at the hole and then press it. Just this. Just like that, you press it at the hole and then the other one also. After that, you cut the excess and then put a soldering lead and then for proper soldered. Okay, that's it. And after this one, you need to test. This capacitor is 47 microfarad at 50 volts. That's it. We need to get a LED so that we can test this actual. I have here I need to put it back. Just put it back and close. We need to test this one. I will put a 220 supply. Just be careful, the negative and positive is clear from the metal or hitting both sides. This is the LED supply, then this is the LED bulb. I will turn on, okay, and then that's it, it's cleared. We'll try again. We'll count 1 to 10 seconds, and then steady or stable. The flickered is rectified and this LED driver is ready to use. That's it. I hope this solution is help you in the future. Thank you very much. Daeyang. If you learned from this video, click like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. And follow us on Facebook, Marco TV. Thank you very much.